be real for a second. No matter how much we love our clients, customer support is a pain in the You know the drill. You get the email that just says, it doesn't work, and you are left wondering, what doesn't work? Is it the software? Is it the coffee machine? The entire life? If you are tired of being a mind reader for your customers, stick with me. Now tell me, what's the most frustrating customer support issue you've dealt with? Let me know in the comments. I love to hear your stories and help you brainstorm ways to fix it. Today I'm going to show you a system that'll make those vague messages a thing of the past. And by the end of this video, you'll have a foolproof way to make your customer support simple, clear, and dare I say enjoyable? If we haven't met yet, hey there, I'm Yvonne Heimann, a business efficiency consultant and leadership coach right here at AskEv.com. My clients have literally cut up to 40% of their non-revenue generating work, giving them and their team the freedom to focus on what really matters. And that's exactly what this channel is about, helping you boss your business with simple systems that allow your clients to get the support they deserve and you the knowledge you need to do so. One of my dear friends, who happens to be a coach and mentor of mine, as well as a client of mine, told me one thing and said, the objective of communication is not to be understood. It is to be impossible to be misunderstood. And that's exactly the goal here. When clients send us vague messages and emails that just say, this is not working, it creates unnecessary frustration. It does not build a situation where it is impossible to be misunderstood, but possibly to be fully misunderstood and nothing is clear. So the system I'm going to show you eliminates all of that, simply by ensuring you get exactly the information you need up front from the first message they send. And sure, there is tools like Zendesk, but they often feel like fancier ways to just organize chaos, and often enough they're overkill to what we are trying to accomplish. So yes, it's a ticketing system, yes, it's information collecting, but it's missing the actionable step that goes along with it that at least I need. I don't know if you just want to ignore those tickets, but I want to take action on those tickets. So that's exactly where this ClickUp setup comes in. ClickUp customizable forms isn't just a tool, it's a complete game changer when wanting to support your customers and clients, when wanting to build a ticketing system that is actionable. So ClickUp forms easily allow you to ask the right questions up front, and you suddenly don't waste time guessing anymore. It's all about clarity, efficiency, and getting your time back. Now, when we look at this support ticketing system and feedback list that you see here is a part of our customer support template that you can buy in our template shop. I want to focus specifically on customer support today and building a ticketing system within ClickUp. In the support form, you do want to set expectations right away. Why is this important? What can you do? Don't let your customers guess. Chances are they're frustrated, something isn't working right, they want to help now, it's everybody else's fault, so let's make it easy for them. And by making it easy for them, you are saving a whole bunch of time. One client of mine, for example, used to spend hours and hours and hours every week going back and forth with customers just trying to figure out what the actual problem was. And after implementing this form and setting boundaries around it, their average response time dropped by 50%, so they are way faster now because they have the information they need. They gain their time back to actually support their clients and not just try to get information out of them. And it's given them a whole extra afternoon just to focus on growing the business and supporting the client rather than playing detective. So let's get back to this. Support request form. Clients do not get to send you an email. You always keep sending them here. Make it a habit and set the boundaries that if you have an issue, submit it through the support request form. I also explain in here, hey, walk me through it. Record a Loom video. You don't even have to all type it out. Show me what's happening so that I know what's actually happening, so I see see what you see. And then, sure, we need the standard information, right? Your name, the email to follow up. Give me a quick description. By the way, that description is your task name. Makes it really simple finding them. What part is it? For me, is it a template? Is it a course content? Is it something else? Is it tech? Is it setup? What is it? If it is based in a tool, you need to ask what level of access they have, because sometimes what my ClickUp clients think is an issue is actually just a feature that is not on their plan. I then ask them to give me a little bit more detail, and they literally could paste the Loom video right in here, not even have to type it out. Who's with me? Nobody likes typing. They also can upload screenshots and all kinds of things, and then let them gauge how they feel right now. It gives you an idea of, are they ready to burn the thing down, or is it just an annoyance? I always love to have anything else we should know. Give them room to just talk with you. And every single time that form is submitted, it generates a task. It is right in here. And yes, I always like to add the custom field information into my description. Gives you an additional backup to make sure you get all of the information. You know how automations go. Sometimes things just get lost. So let's make sure we have a backup of it. And then you have easily available all the information you need. You ask all the questions, you have the Loom video. And not only that, because the email is in here, you can email them back straight out of ClickUp. Now, to wrap this up, first of all, make sure you set the boundaries of using a ticketing system and sending your clients to this form. They're gonna be in the habit of emailing you. They're gonna be in the habit of DMing you on Facebook or Instagram to say, hey, I have an issue. Stick to your guns. Please submit your issue right here and have it easily available. Add it to your contact page or whatever it is. This form, this ticketing system right here in ClickUp allows you to eliminate that forth and back and turns those vague requests of this is not working into clear information and actionable steps. Now making supporting your customers really easy and simple. Because think about it, it's no more guessing games. It's clear, actionable steps, and you actually can help and not feel like a dumbass because you don't have the information to actually help. Now that you've seen how simple this setup is, it's time to make it happen. Go grab the template. You've seen there is even our CRM, there is collecting feedback and testimonials, as well as the support ticketing system right in ClickUp in our customer support template. And now we've turned your customer chaos and a situation of frustration into clarity with a simple system. It's more than just answering questions. It's about solving problems before they even happen. Like I always say, efficiency is not just about saving time. It's about giving you the freedom to focus on what truly matters. Whether that's scaling your business or spending time with your family or finally taking that vacation without worrying about your inbox. With this system, it is easy to optimize, automate, and delegate your customer support. And when your customer support is streamlined with a ticketing system like this, it's not just your inbox that feels lighter. Your team gets clarity. Your customer feels supported, and you finally get the breathing room to focus on the big picture and where you want to take your business. And hey, this is just the beginning. Want to keep building that dream business that works for you? Check out the video right here where I show you webhooks, the missing piece in your ClickUp automation, and how they will definitely simplify your workflows even more, saving you time and eliminating stress. Because when your systems work seamlessly, so can you. Let's boss your business together.